first, what if a few small changes could lead to big savings on your next water bill this summer? Now that I got your attention, we're talking about water conservation here at City Mill. And we have Steven Nordstrom, the information specialist of Honolulu Board of Water Supply.
Great, thanks for having me.
Okay, we have some good tips today, so let's talk about water conservation. We all love our lawns, we love to garden here in Hawaii. There's some ways that we could water our plants better, yeah?
Yeah, so about 50% of outdoor water use is wasted due to inefficient irrigation systems and overwatering. So this is a water drip watering kit. So this is good because this actually helps get the water where you want it to go, right to the roots. And it's reducing about 30 to 50% of your outdoor water use. So this is a great way to conserve water.
So get the water exactly where it needs.
Yeah, and also another good thing, this will actually help to reduce weeds because it's not actually watering on top of the soil, it's actually going into the soil, into the roots. So that's a great way.
Very cool. So this is a good sister right here too, right? So it's a patio drip watering kit for those who maybe have hanging plants or something in the lanai. This also gets the water exactly where it needs to go.
Right to the roots. Yep.
Okay, I love it.
This is a smart irrigation controller, or known as a B Hyve timer. And what this does is it connects to local weather stations. So it actually tailors your watering schedules to exactly what your lawn and your garden needs. So you don't have to worry about overwatering. You don't have to worry about runoff. And you don't have to worry about your lawn and garden being saturated with water. And when it's raining, you don't have to worry about it going off.
Okay, so just set it, forget it. It thinks for us.
You just need Wi-Fi to connect to your phone.
I'm sure this thing is going to connect really well. Honolulu Board of Water Supply, you guys are offering a rebate up to $100 for these smart sprinklers.
Yes, for this water smart, for any, as long as you're a Board of Water Supply customer, you can purchase this B Hyve timer, and the Board of Water Supply will provide you a rebate of up to $100.
Oh my, what if it's under $100?
Then we'll provide you to whatever it costs.
Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys got to look into that at City Mill here.
We'll send you a check. It's usually between 4 to 6 weeks.
I love it.
Come from us.
We love checks.
Yes.
So we're going to talk about more of water conservation in the house too. So we have some of these shower heads. Let's talk about these.
Yeah, so when you're going to buy a new shower head, or if you have an old shower head and you haven't replaced it for a long time, you want to make sure you're buying a shower head with the water sense label.
Okay. That's
using about 2 gallons of water per minute.
Check out those water sense labels right there. Switch it out. And then really quick too, we want to talk about toilets. So basically there's also a rebate for toilets that you guys are offering too.
Yes, so we offer up to a $100 rebate on a water efficient toilet. Now any toilet you buy at City Mill is water efficient because the federal standard just changed from 1.6 to 1.28. But get this, about half of the toilets in urban Honolulu are not water efficient.
Oh gosh.
We're talking about people that have toilets that are 3 to 7 gallons per flush.
Wow, and I know toilets that are like older than me at some point, so it's pretty much time to get a new toilet.
Yes, yes, and the thing is, when you think about it, if your toilet's working, why change it? But think about all the water you're using and your water bill too.
Well, this is a perfect time for those rebates, but we want to talk about this last rebate for this cool water collecting system. What is this over here?
So this is called Rain Barrel. I love rain barrels because this saves a lot of water because you're using rainwater to irrigate your lawn. You're using nothing from the Board of Water Supply.
It's free water.
You can say it that way. It's free water. So how it works is it rains. It comes down the roof and then it goes right into the section right here and it fills up your barrel, and you can get creative. Some people will actually do like a little tilting thing so they can get a little water pressure too.
Awesome.
So, and we have a $40 rebate on gallons that are about 45 gallons or larger.
$40 rebate. Yes. Thank you so much, Steven, for telling us of all these awesome rebates the Board of Water Supply is offering anyone here. So you can get all of these products here at City Mill. We're going to post more details on HiNowDaily.com, but for now, save that water.
Thank you.